In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a task dashboard in Notion. If you've been looking for a way to organize your tasks effectively in Notion, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step to help you set up a customized and efficient task system. First, let's start by creating a tasks database. This will be the backbone of your dashboard and where all of your task information will be stored. Begin by opening Notion and navigating to the area where you want to create your dashboard. You might want to do this in an existing workspace or create a new page, depending on your needs. Once you're there, you're going to create a new database. To do this, click on the Add a Page button. Then from the options provided, select Table, since a table will allow you to view and manipulate your tasks comprehensively. After your table is set up, it's time to configure it. Name your database something like Tasks to make it easily identifiable. You should now think about the kind of information you want to track for each task. Common fields include things like task name, due date, status, priority, and any additional notes. In the first column, you'll enter the task name. This will typically be a short description of what needs to be done. The second column, due date, helps you keep track of deadlines and prioritize your tasks accordingly. You can set this type to date in Notion. For the status column, change the type to select. This allows you to categorize each task based on its current status, such as not started, in progress, or completed. It's a straightforward way to quickly assess where things stand at a glance. Next, let's set up a priority field. I recommend using select for this as well, with options like high, medium, and low. This way, you can easily spot which tasks need your immediate attention. Finally, consider adding a notes or description column using the text type. Here you can jot down any extra details that might be helpful for specific tasks, details that don't fit neatly into other predefined categories. At this point, your essential task database is ready, but you can always go back and adjust these fields as your needs evolve. Once your database is configured, you might want to customize views. For example, you might want a calendar view for an overarching glance at upcoming deadlines, or a Kanban board to visually track tasks through different stages of completion. Remember, Notion is incredibly flexible, so feel free to adjust these settings as you become more comfortable, or as your workflow demands. With this setup, you're now well on your way to mastering task management in Notion. This database will serve as an incredible tool to keep your tasks organized, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for joining, and happy organizing.